How small is the Dji Mavic Air? In this video, we're going to be comparing the size of the Mavic Air to different things, so we can just get an idea of how small it really is. Because when you see it on video, or you see it on a photo, it really just does not do it justice how small this fantastic piece of equipment really is. So first up, we're going to compare the Mavic Air to a range extender from a Phantom 3 Professional, and as you can see, it's not really that much bigger. It's not really a lot wider either. It's only maybe an inch longer, which just goes to show how small it is. This is the Mavic sat inside of the phone/tablet holder of the Phantom 3 Professional controller. It actually just fits perfect, absolutely tip to tip, which just shows how small this drone really is. Up next is the Mavic Air controller, which yet again there's not much difference, and for that reason I really wish, with the bag that came with it, I really wish they could have incorporated both the drone and the controller to sit inside, just to save having to carry the controller separate. That would have been brilliant. What more can I say here? If you can carry a bottle of water, you can carry your drone, right? Now this is a Samsung tablet. This is a Samsung Tab S2, which is exactly 8 inches. And you can see it's really close in size. And that's the drone sat on top of the tablet. It's really just so compact, it's unbelievable. Now of course it's a lot bigger than the GoPro Hero 6. But is it really that much bigger by the time you put housing on and maybe you stick it on a tripod? But you decide. I saved the best to last. Phantom 3 Professional, my old drone, which I have actually upgraded to the Mavic Air. I just wanted to show a massive difference in size between these two drones, because for me this was just a selling point. This just made it must buy. The fact you can pick up the Mavic Air, put it in a bag, in a pocket, or even just carry it. You can literally take it anywhere, and it shoots 4K, the same as the Phantom 3 Professional. It shoots 12 megapixel, the same as the Phantom 3 Professional, but it also comes with sensors, it comes with hand gestures, and it comes with a lot more things that the Phantom 3 never had, which in my opinion makes it a must upgrade. And if you don't own a drone, it makes it a must buy. So I hope this video helped anybody wondering about the size before purchasing. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.